everybody, I'm Neha and happy Valentine's Day to you all. Since it's Valentine's, I thought we could do a heart-shaped cubism art. Cubism art is an art used with geometrical shapes such as triangle, rectangle, and squares and etc. Your required materials are pencil, eraser, oil pastels, A4 size sheet. So the results will look like this. You can do either like this or like this. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's get started. So first I'm going to draw a heart. Now I'm going to erase the extra. Next I'm going to take my scale and I'm going to draw some lines inside the heart. Okay, now I'm completed with the heart shape, so I'm going to draw lines on the outside. So first I'm going to use these shades: pink, dark pink, red, dark purple, violet. I'm done with the heart. Now I'm going to start the background coloring. For the background, you can use shades of yellow and orange or shades of blue. I'm using yellow and orange. So now we're complete with our drawing and I hope you like it. And happy Valentine's Day!